how to log out Amazon account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to log out of your Amazon account, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Amazon shopping app, and you can currently see that I am logged in. Now previously what used to happen was, in order to log out we would need to tap the three lines option from the bottom right of the screen here. So again, you have to just make sure to tap the three lines option from the bottom right until you see this type of interface. So let this page load up, where you want to again scroll down a bit further. You'll find an option that says setting. Tap on the settings option and expand the menu, and here you'll find an option called sign out. So tap the sign out option, it will ask you for a confirmation. Tap on the sign out option here and then you'll be successfully logged out of Amazon. This way you can log out Amazon account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.